Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Minnie. If you're new here, welcome to my channel and I hope you stay and enjoy my content. Alright, so in today's video it's gonna be a market vlog, right? So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. I'm heading to the market. It's currently 2:03, soon 3 o'clock p.m. So I'm heading to the market. It look like rain go fall, but I go down the market and I'm bringing you guys along with me. All right, so stick around. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on your post notification bell so each time I upload a video you can be notified. Okay, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at MinnieBurrell. So let's go to the market. Alright guys, I'm heading out right now. Even though it look like rain go fall and all of that, me still put on a hat because my ear now. So you know, soon me here. But I'm gonna head out now and yeah, let's go.
If you're out there, let me hear you say, yeah, 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 yeah. This one's for the lovers. If you're out there, let me hear you say, yeah, 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 yeah. This one's for the lovers. If you're out there, let me hear you say, yeah, 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 yeah. This one's for the lovers. If you're out there, let me hear you say, yeah, 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 yeah.
Only one choice now. Just to let us be. Cause I treasure the way you calm me down. How you set me free. When I thought it was impossible. Cause I found out the factors before. What's the difference you put to the bone? It compels me to battle my soul. I wanna be the one.
One truck, Mr. Lord. When fully water pan and he said, this one you have to give them water. Yeah? And every minute they say export. Nothing go for you.
No, the bigger carrot. Okay, they're looking on.
That's 25. 25 and that's a 8, that's a 33.
33. A 2 pounder? What them do? What them do?
Wow.
Eh?
Wow.
Wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you want so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah.
Alright guys, I'm home and I'm gonna show you everything I got from the market and how much I spent. All right, so let's go. All right, so first thing I got is a watermelon, 1 dozen apple. I get a bag of callaloo. Honestly, I did want like 3 bag or so, but this was the last bag, and a $300 for this. But I don't know, I think I'm gonna mark it too late because everything did just run out or so. I don't know, but I did want like 2 bag or 3 bag of callaloo. I never get them, just get 1 bag, and I don't get no pop chow. It's a pop chow shot, so I don't know. Like I say, lady, when I go to the market, I tell her, I said the last time I come to market, I left my banana. Yes, I left my banana. She met me left my banana. I go to the market. So she give me some banana, so I never have to pay for. Why? But she give me some banana. But you know, I'm not pleased with the market this week. I'm not pleased, but I just have to get this something them. So I get them. But I'm really pleased with the market things them this week. But anyways, 2 pound of pumpkin. I get 2 plantain. 1 dozen green banana. Hold on. Alright, 1 dozen green banana. 2 pound of tomato. Garlic. 2 pound of onion. I get 2 bags of skillet and thyme. Alright. 2 pound of sweet potato. What else? I got some peppers this week. I don't really buy pepper, you know, but I buy pepper. This have 12 pepper. You can put in my rice and peas, or you know, spice up my things. Like I'm not really buy pepper, but pepper. Alright. 2 pound of Irish potato, 2 pound of sweet pepper, and 2 pound of carrot. Honestly, I'm not so pleased with them carrot, you know. I'm not so pleased with them carrot, but I'm gonna work with them. Carrot them too little, man. But 2 pound of carrots. I go work with them. I go work with them. So me used to big carrot them. I go work with them little carrot here, cause I cannot do no better. I can't do no better right now. So I have to just work with them little carrot here. Alright guys, I get a breadfruit. And this is for $300. Yeah, I get a breadfruit. I get half dozen star fruit. What you call this, guys? And let me know in the comment if you call this star fruit or star apple. So yeah, half dozen. And I get 2 pineapple. I get 1 dozen plum, 1 dozen lime, pound and a half of cucumber, and 3 pound of cabbage. So yeah, that is everything. What me miss out? Me not get the pop chow. Me the pop chow. Me did want cantaloupe, but me not get no cantaloupe. What else? Me did want more callaloo, but I'm grateful for what me get. And guys, everything came up to $15,700. That may tell you this week market raise, next week market price go down. Like me just don't know what to go on with down market, but this week it more expensive than the last market when me do last whatever. But everything right here, so of $15,700. So market, very expensive, very expensive. Yeah, so yeah, this is my market vlog. Hope you enjoy. Let me know in the comments if it's worth it or not. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up. Alright guys, so I'm gonna wash my hair right now. I'm gonna wash my hair because I have my hair appointment tomorrow. Yeah, I'm going to do my hair tomorrow. I'm gonna braid it. And guys, let me know in the comment. Election is September 3rd, which is next week. So let me know in the comments, all those who are in Jamaica, let me know if you're gonna vote. And you can also let me know if you are JLP or PMP and who you think are going to win this election. Because to me this election are kind of tight, you know. PMP stand a chance. Me see where PMP stand a chance we can, you know, win this election year. So let me know in the comments, guys. Yes, I'm gonna vote. Yeah, I'll be out on the road and I'm gonna try my best to give you guys something. Like I'm gonna vlog that day there. I'm not gonna vlog inside when I go vote, but I will vlog on the road to, you know, show you guys what's happening on the road and all of that. So yeah, I'm gonna vote. So let me know in the comments if you are gonna vote and which side is your side. Are you a shower or a power? Okay, let me know in the comments. Also let me know if you are through with back to school. Like, how is back to school going for you? You're done? And back to school kind of push back because my daughter was supposed to go out September 1st, but because of the election, school pushed back to September 8th. So you know we have a little time to prepare for back to school. But I am through with back to school. Me finish with back to school. Me just wait for the uniform to come in right now, and then I'm good. I buy up everything already and me sort out. So yeah, guys, I'm going to the hairdresser right now. It's 11:50. I did want to reach a bit earlier, but that never works. So I'm going to the hairdresser right now, get my hair done, and then come back home and all of that. So let's go.
I heard you good with them soft lips. Yeah, you know word of mouth. The square root of 69 is 8 something, right? Cause I've been trying to work it out. Go, white wine. I come alive in the nighttime. Yeah, okay, away we go. Only thing we have on is the radio. Oh, let it play. Say you gotta leave, but I know you wanna stay. You just waiting on the traffic jam to finish, girl. The things that we could do in 20 minutes, girl. Say my name, wear it out. It's getting hot, crack a window, air it out. I can get you through a mighty long day. Soon as you go, the text that I write is gonna say, what's my name?
Hey guys, I'm home. I'm gonna get something to eat and then do some little something before I go to my bed. But let me know in the comments if you like my hair. I really love my hair, and I chose this color because, you know, want the color for just lift my face. Yeah, I always do black braids, so I switch it up a bit and I'm loving it. So let me know in the comments if you love this hairstyle, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm gonna eat, I'm gonna bed, and then I'm gonna do some little stuff before I go to my bed. So my face kind of shine and all of that, but nah, mind that. But bye guys, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend turn on your post notification bell so each time I upload a video you can be notified. Okay, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Minnie_Burrell and come back for my next video. Bye.